easy way to explain what a PCC, a protected cell company, is to think of an insurance platform that contains and supports several mini insurers within. It is essentially a single legal entity that is made up of separate cells and a supporting non-cellular core. Each cell has its own accounts, its own assets and liabilities, and is recognized as a ring-fenced fund under EU solvency rules. Policies issued by a PCC will specify the cell for which the PCC is transacting for. What really makes a PCC unique is that a third party can actually own a cell as cell shareholders. The cell owner's investment is legally protected from the other cells and from the core of the company. Cells can be used in a variety of ways, from financing your own captive risks to writing third-party business. It can be a way to generate new revenue and retain underwriting profit, all without having to set up a fully fledged standalone insurance company. PCCs are also widely used by non-European insurers and captives as a fronting solution, helping them cut costs and provide simpler access to the European market.
Instead of having to build an insurance company from the ground up, you can plug straight into a regulated insurer using its license, its systems, its governance, and its regulatory framework. Simply put, cells make insurance ownership far more accessible, cost-effective, and capital efficient. It's a much faster and more affordable way to launch, test, and grow your captive or insurance vehicle, all within a fully compliant EU structure.
Malta is the only EU member state with dedicated protected cell legislation. It offers proportionate regulations for captives and cells, and being English-speaking makes it even more accessible. If you set up a cell in Malta, you can write insurance directly in all the European economic area, without the need of any additional fronting arrangements. This gives you full EU onshore credibility and transparency, without the complexities of running a standalone insurer. Atlas was actually the first traditional insurer globally to convert to a PCC back in 2006, and we continue to be at the forefront of innovation in this model. We bring together the strength of an insurer with over a century of experience, with the flexibility and agility of a PCC, offering both stability and forward-thinking capability in one solution.
Atlas is the first EU-based PCC to establish an authorised UK branch. Now, post-Brexit, this is a major advantage. What this means in practice is that any cells that we host can write both into the UK market and the European markets seamlessly. As a result of this, we regain many of the benefits that we lost as a result of Brexit. For our clients, this creates the opportunity to write seamlessly from the same cell across all of Europe and the UK, whether it's for your own captive risks or for external customers. Cells are used across a wide range of products, from global captives to firms looking to launch new products into UK and European markets. Cells can be owned by MGAs, intermediaries, or even non-insurance firms who want to offer add-on products or affinity products to their customers. It's a way to unlock new revenue streams and to build greater customer loyalty. With a cell, you take control of your own book. This allows you to reduce reliance on commission income, increase your underwriting profits, and generally take control of your own data. Classes of business commonly covered by cells might include gadget, breakdown, cancellation, pet, even cyber insurance. A PCC cell can be set up in a very flexible way. Some cells choose to retain all their capacity for themselves, others will reinsure out. A cell can even be used as a reinsurance vehicle in its own right.
Maltese regulations allow protected cells to be managed by third-party licensed insurance managers under outsourcing agreements offering choice to cell owners. Atlas is independent of brokers and captive managers, which means we operate without any conflict of interest. Some cells are managed directly by Atlas, while others are introduced and managed by leading international management firms. What is unique is that the cell owner retains the freedom to change their manager in the future without the need to close or transfer the cell.
Because Atlas has an active core that writes a significant share of the Maltese market, we are able to incubate or front risks quickly through our core, even while a cell is being assessed and set up. This speeds up time to market, helps get early data, and reduces uncertainties around projections. Our core can also provide optional co-insurance support, easing capital requirements and supporting clients to scale with confidence. And with a license also covering life reinsurance, Atlas enables cells to reinsure both life and non-life risks under one roof. This flexibility broadens the scope for employee benefit programs and has been successfully implemented in payment protection reinsurance.
Start with a conversation. You don't need to have a full business plan on day one. A good PCC host will guide you through the process step by step. After an initial call where we discuss your business, your needs and ambitions, we can usually provide an early indication of suitability, costs and key requirements. From there we move to a formal engagement to complete a more detailed assessment where we build the financial projections, estimate solvency capital and lay the groundwork for a smooth sale application. And it all begins with that first conversation.